Cultivation affected in Sangtihidi by excessive sand mining. Good morning, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host Jirbon Kilingpi. And now let's look into the news in detail. For the past few months, the sand holders and suppliers and the impact of uncontrolled mining have been in news. In the latest news which has come from Sangtihidi, where local farmers had to move up to the river upstream with a spade and hoe to remove the sand piled up by the sand miners, which has blocked the flow of water into their farming areas. For several villages under Sangtihidi or Balipathar area, the Laichan River serves as a lifeline, providing water for agriculture. More than 6,000 families depend on this river water to cultivate their field in the absence of rain. However, since the past 3 years, these farmers have been facing several difficulties due to the change in climate, especially the decrease in erratic rainfall. On the other hand, sand miners have been mining sand in the upstream of the river. They have dug up 15 to 20 feet deep holes on the river bed to get more sand. This had prevented the free flow of water. Meanwhile, the unwanted sand is again piled up without proper observation of the canals used by farmers to take water to their field. As such, the river got diverted from its course, depriving waters to farmers of Sangtihidi area. Upset with the late arrival of rain and the less water in the river, residents from number 1 Dilaujan, number 2 Dilaujan, Center Dilaujan, number 3 Dilaujan, Dubajan, Langwe, Neparpati and Siamgaon went to village mining and clear out the sand deposited in the canal to allow water to flow freely. They had strongly appealed to the forest department to check the uncontrolled and unscientific mining on the river. They urged the sand holders not to hamper the flow of river water and also demanded that they should take immediate steps to let river take the course as it used to be in the past.
আজি আমাৰ বালিপথাৰ ডিলাজান অঞ্চলৰ খেতিয়ক ৰাইজে বহুত জীয়াতু ভুগিছে। আজি আগৰ আমাৰ ককা দেউতাৰ দিনৰ পৰা এইটো এটা জান আছিলে খেতিৰ কাৰণে পানী যোৱা। এই যেতিয়াৰ পৰা বালি উঠোৱা হৈছে মানে আমাৰ ইয়াত তেতিয়াৰ পৰা জানটো বন্ধ হৈ গ'ল আৰু আমাৰ খেতি পথাৰলৈ পানী যোৱা ৰাস্তাটো বন্ধ হৈ যোৱাত খেতিয়কৰ বহুত অসুবিধা হৈছে। আগতেতো বৰষুণৰ বতৰত হৈ যায় হ'লে পানী হয়, কিন্তু এইবছৰ বৰষুণ নোহোৱাৰ কাৰণে পানীৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ ৰাইজৰ বহুত অসুবিধা হৈছে।
Nilitum ladak ningkan hini ningkan thom aprang peng kheti ke chuklem ke la rongpang bong lo ma la Sangtihidi Dilaujan la Balipathar area alom bang ke ningkan hini ningkan thom aprang pen kheti chuklem bang lan siksa ko staminon ke la inglong anat matela nampianat ku lepu Laichan aroi do pu taso Laichan aroi long bang ke Sangtiki phur tumbang ekdom pumat palit thuong mat non bang ke la lang roi la Laichan lang roi kilia ta chi orlab lo ma si khiti ki klem bang ke siksak dak lo puson si rap tum kadu bita son ke chithan lo si non bang ka ning ki pung sila rat tum dala lang roi kunana sila kichi or ma la so nang kelang pen lo yat pen lo ma si kadu bita bang rap pet lo si pining bang ke arwi aphandel le kichi arwi yang jidet pu phan lok le la ta ki pudam nai kali mane ningkan hini ki thom prang ta arwi ta jang bom lo la pen lang roi lang ta lang long bom la supen si khiti ke chuklem bang ke siksak o taminon bang ke arwi jang ji pu koi thip la so bang kali la lang roi lang ta jong si chili phun son te khiti chuklem bang ke siksak o ide ji pusila kadu be rak tum ta la son si ke ning je ring ti
Subhas Terang from Langchiting for Karbi Anglong Live. With the aim of helping poor families cope with the food crisis due to the lockdown's impact on work and employment, the Uttar Borbil Cooperative Lamps, Dongmukak Lamps and Paglongkam Lamps unit distributed rice under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana scheme at their respective areas on Monday. The Uttar Borbil Cooperative Lamps and Dongmukak Lamps distributed rice to the poor families of 6 polling stations polling under the Mahamaya MAC constituency here on Monday. The villages where rice was provided includes Kamar Basti, Gona Basti and Mulajan villages. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Lunsing Teron, Dongmukak Municipal Board Chairman Biren Teron, VDC Chairman Rajesh Teron, Dongmukak Cooperative Lamp Secretary Sonsing Kro and several BJP party members of the area were also present during the rice distribution program.
Inilah Isya Ground Kendro long bangkala ke Uttar Borbil area lo kadar long ki nili tum non la COVID akiso apor hut rong ruk aju chong dat long le Kidu kila katung phan sang ake joy kipi pon program ke den pon. La so program ni tum iset team Muhammad team hisab ni tum dok noka town committee chairman Chenglok BDC team do la pen 15 dong Muhammad BGP Mondol committee la so team pen ni tum dadak sang heron pon along tamen ni tum ke dam pon cheng pon lo. La sila dak isi bangala solo ni tum la non covid akiso kitame non la pil heang kang la ana kiso lo la sila hai kami rong ru baju publicity ave la sila hai dan tum awareness tak tipon mask tak ki joy ke ron pon la pen sanitizer mak hata ni tum tipon tipado.
Tapi sir la nali tum la sangkeron nong nali tum la card ke do phanta pipon ma card ave hana pipon sir.
Ni tum ke card ke do tum hanta pilo card ka ve tum hanta pilo la pen ni tum la dak party ta lage congress lage LDC lage DP ni thakon pe adon tin event sakuri ke do tum phananta ni tum ke yong si sakuria la tum nang endun photo ni tum ke tipon yong si kunuba adim long ma ke sakuria la tum ma ke itum ke nang nilu pusta hala tum la sona area dudu kita nang dun det polote ni ke tipon dari sila sa lahai lu jene ke rapor
ke bang tu second lockdown a hot mane additional asang jun May pen June of harman angkele aso harman bansi kidu kila ketumhan pu additional asang nang pale si angko abang so rat phan angko non le tum pak longka maras penta kaddo ko phanta mane card abang phutum han meni tum tipni mane additional mate general hodai nangali rasong si non ke indeng hini ke pachok lo hongni ke chok lo June la pe May pen June la se pen ke pini la mangso kilo na long ni tum ka ching hon mohamaya yam lom sing teron ta nang chitong don no apen ke alang ni tum kolkan thi yam raji tu sos tame alang apor avedet ajok nang chitong don boy fish tame alang le tum pen nang chipaduk pen la bangso scheme sang nang wan pipon le tum dak rak atum da churo lo la se pini an ke tum ke ron pon second bar indeng hini an lo yo indeng hini pa jut pon pin an ke ni tum.
The Paklongkam Cooperative Lamps also carried out the free distribution of rice under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Kalyan Awas Yojana scheme. The distribution was led by Paklongkam Lamps Chairman Semingling and BOD members. Local MAC and EM Lunsing Teron himself visited the spot to supervise the distribution program. He was accompanied by Dokmoka Municipal Board Chairman Biren Singh Teron, VDC Chairman Rajesh Teron, and several other BJP workers. EM Lunsing Teron, while interacting with the public, urged them to strictly obey the COVID-19 protocols. Along with his team, he distributed facial masks. Samsing Ingti from Dongmukak, Harsing Rompi from Hawarkehat for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.